Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a beautiful day. Look how gorgeous it is out there. So guys, just wanted to welcome you back to the channel and make sure and hit that subscribe button, and then right next to it make sure and hit the bell button so that you're notified when a new video comes out. And everybody make sure and hit that thumbs up button. That really helps my YouTube channel out big time. Leave me a comment below and let me know how you like the video. So guys, we're gonna head to Corvette World right now. We're meeting up with Jason from Front Speed Driver. Let's get going. Just like that, I'm at Corvette World. What's up, buddy?
I'm about to pull it around right now.
Nice. I can't wait, man.
I know. It looks good, dude. The tips are pretty big. They're like yours.
Nice.
I don't know if they're as big as yours, but they're bigger than the stock.
Sweet, man. Can't wait. Oh, there it is. Woo! We're gonna get back here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Woo! Brand new Corsa Extreme exhaust on
good.
His beautiful car.
Very excited.
Man. It's also got the carbon fiber centerpiece. And it's got the carbon fiber roof too.
Stage 2. Everything stage 2.
What's that?
I love red vents.
So do I.
And it's manual.
And it's got the carbon fiber on the inside.
Does it?
Yeah,
Oh,
see?
It sure does.
Here
Yeah,
and on the seats.
Yeah.
Dude, it's a freaking killer of a deal. Think I'd look good in that?
Back over here with Mike at Corvette World, getting some more stuff done. He's looking for another new car. Z06. So I got mine, but still can't get over how big these freaking tips are.
I think those are 4.5.
4.5. They're huge.
Love it. I love it, Jason. well, that was an absolutely fun-filled day. Met up with Jason, obviously, with Front Seat Driver, and we had a blast. We hope to be doing this very often, and hopefully we can meet up with some other guys and do a little Mexico racing. So anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell button right next to it so that you're notified when I put out new content, which, by the way, is every Saturday morning. I will try and up my video content here pretty soon, but for now it's just once a week. Other than that, guys, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video, and have a wonderful rest of your weekend and great week next week.